go. Hi, my name is Andrew Patterson, South Wales Police Dog Section. We are here with our puppy walkers, our happy band of puppy walkers here in the pouring down rain in the Vale of Glamorgan. We've got two lots of pups, and today we've got the 8 to 9 month old puppies, the A litter, and we've got the new B litter with the 2 4-month-old Manamar pups, Betty and Blood. It's their first time. This morning we put them into the kennels, so they're used to, it's not such a massive shock when they do come back to us. They come off the sofas and settees and got to go into the kennels. And we also put them in the police van and given them a drive around the Vale, so they're used to travelling in the backs of vans. We've had a game of ball to work on their prey drive in the gymnasium, testing them on the large slippery surfaces or slippery floors. No issues there, it's all gone very well. And now we've brought them back out onto the Vale of Glamorgan, the Field of Dreams, where we are practicing our basic track lane exercises, and the dogs are doing one leg now with a bit of food and a toy at the end to have a play with. So far it's gone very, very well, so fingers crossed it'll keep on going that way. That's it for now. I look forward to seeing you all in about a month's time for the next update on Pupdate.